In this tutorial, we will see what is Excel Worksheet, how to rename, delete and insert worksheet, how to change worksheet color, how to hide and unhide sheet. A worksheet consists of cells in which you can enter and calculate data. The cells are organized into columns and rows. Each worksheet contains 1048,576 rows and 16,384 columns. A row goes left to right, a column goes up and down. The columns' areas is all lettered and rows are numbered. A workbook contains several worksheets with related content and only one of the worksheets is active at a time. Every Excel workbook contains at least one or more worksheets. If you are working with a large amount of related data, you can use worksheets to help organize your data and make it easier to work with. The worksheet tabs in Excel are rectangular tabs visible on the bottom left of the Excel workbook. You can insert more tabs in the worksheet using the plus button provided at the end of the tabs. You can also rename or delete any of the worksheet's tabs. Step 1. Right-click the worksheet you wish to rename. Step 2. Select Rename. Step 3. Type the desired name for the worksheet. Step 4. Click anywhere outside of the worksheet or press the Enter on your keyboard. The worksheet will be renamed. Step 1. Right-click the worksheet you wish to delete. Step 2. Select Delete from the worksheet menu. The desired worksheet is deleted. Step 1. Locate the New Sheet button, plus, and click on it to add a new sheet. Step 2. A new, blank worksheet will occur as Sheet 2. Step 1. Right-click the desired worksheet and take the mouse over Tab Color. Step 2. Choose the desired color. A live preview of a new worksheet color will develop as the mouse over different options. The worksheet color will be modified. Right-click the sheet name and select the Hide option. Sheet will get hidden. Step 1. Right-click on any sheet name and select the Unhide option. Step 2. Select the Unhide sheet name. Press the OK button. Now you will have your hidden sheet back.